Well, good morning, everybody. This is my Sunday morning walkabout to kind of show you what's been happening during the week here. And we got some bright sunshine right now, so I think that's flashing in my camera here a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can kind of avoid that here. We got some good rain yesterday evening, even though it was short-lived. Only lasting really maybe 10 minutes or so. But when I was up early this morning trying to answer some comments, at about 3 o'clock we got about 20 minutes of what I call, on a 1 to 10 scale, a 2 to 3 rain. Yeah, I was more than real happy with the rain this morning. The ground is still wet, and of course you've already seen the onions and the ampallia over there. We needed the rain really desperately. Like I said, it had been 2 weeks since we had any rain. My coconut tree needs to be trimmed here. And it looks like the grass here may need to be trimmed sometime this week. What's nice is the top of the piles here, the compost piles, are wet, and that's so probably when I'm done with this walkabout, I'll try to turn the compost piles. I like to turn them if they get wet. Yeah, Hondo's already out here doing a little trimming around the banana trees. So everything looks so much better, and that after a nice rain like that. And of course our coffee trees, you can see just a little bit of growth starting. And wow, definitely some good growth here on this one. And I had them pick up these two compost rows here, Doro and that, yesterday, and carry it over to my compost pile because they were done. So I'll be making 2 new rows, if not today, tomorrow, because we got invited to one of our friends today. So we'll be probably filming a video over there later on this afternoon. But everything looking good. Here's another, wow, one of the coffee trees. Everything from there on up to the top is brand new. So this one is absolutely rooting out. Very good. I'm so happy to see that. A lot of growth. Some of them very little. Others, like I said here, quite a bit of new growth. And here we've got a little bit of growth. And of course, nice to see that the compost rows, that's the pig dung on top. The compost rows that Doro put up yesterday when he cleaned the pig pens and that, and I'll definitely be covering that, probably even yet this morning, because with the sun coming up here it'll dry out so quickly, and it's nice to have the moisture in there from the rain we got. I'm going to take a quick walk down here. Like I said, this walkabout, I actually do it every morning because I like to, I love the property. And just the tropical climate and that is so nice for somebody who grew up in the northern part of the United States, where we definitely had 4 seasons, and part of that was always a long winter. My well is down, and it looks like we should probably pick some beans again here. Oh yeah, yeah, look at here, these huge things here. They're ready, and we'll give those away. I'll do that this morning, and we'll take them into town with us, and definitely give them away here and that after our camp. Wow, look at all the beans here. The production here, and especially of these right here, this particular rice field that I grew them in, is absolutely amazing. This will be our 6th picking, I do believe. Just look at all the beans here, absolutely amazing, and all the purple flowers on top here. I just incredible, and the size. Wow, I could be canning beans for quarts and quarts and quarts and quarts, and maybe we'll take some of these with us. I think what we'll do is take them into town, maybe before noon here, take them to the market, see if somebody in town wants to buy some local beans. So I've just been absolutely amazed at the production of beans that we've had here, and with still all the rice fields that we have. Wow, we could have probably gone into commercial production here. And my peppers, still some more growing, not quite as big, because I think they all pulled in their reins here the last 2 weeks because of the heat and the no moisture. Maybe now with a little bit of moisture, we'll see what happens the next few days and that with them. So I'm going to walk down to the pond here, check the level in the pond, and that, and up the other side, but kind of my walkabout for the day, and that I'll let you folks go while I finish here. A last final view of the pond, and heading down towards the rice fields down below. So everybody, have a good day. A good Sunday coming up for you, as it's Sunday morning at about 7 a.m. And a good week to come, and God bless all of you. Beth and I are constantly thinking of our viewers and what we can do to improve our videos, and just love what we're doing here. Wow, look at the pineapple. Some of these plants too are growing pretty crazy here, and that'll have to be weeded again. We'll say goodbye, and we'll be back soon again.